Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Daily basis automatically you will receive calls in live market from this chart. This chart will automatically analyze the market movement. Whenever a breakout happen, it will automatically provide the calls and with the change of candle color also. For example, now buy call generated. So green color candle open, buy at 41 to 34 is the entry point range. The candle open point itself is the entry point range. Above green color line or target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. First target more than 100 point, so that is 104 point first target range. In next 20 minutes of the market movement, the first target range got reached and more than a 100 point movement happened. After some time market again started to move downside. During that time a down breakout happened, a sell call generated. Sell call came at sell at 41,269 range, and now the target lines are came in downside first target second target range. Stop line is the above line, and within 7 minutes of the sell call generated, the first target also reached and market was continuously in downside momentum, so the second target also got breakout. So during the day October 25 Tuesday, so like this at the afternoon market we received the buy sell calls that performed like this only. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it, and on daily basis simply you are just going to watch the chart and get the calls and trade. Thank you.